dashing through the snow in one horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail rings, making spirit bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a singing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Okay, now we'll sing another carol. Okay, so start children along with me. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you. Okay, children. Now, madam will tell you a story. Okay. So, what are we celebrating today? Yes, we are celebrating Christmas. So, when does Christmas come? Christmas comes on 25th of December. That is tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be celebrating Christmas and today is Christmas celebration. So, madam will tell you a story about Jesus. How was Jesus born? How was Jesus born? So, do you know why do we celebrate Christmas? Long time ago in Nazareth, there was a girl whose name was Mary. And she was blessed because she was very devoted to God. Mary and Joseph came to Bethlehem. When they traveled long way from Nazareth to Bethlehem, they were very tired and they were looking for a room. So they were looking, they went to one house, there was no room to stay. They went to another house, there was no room to stay. तो इस तरह से उनको जगह नहीं मिली रहने के लिए. And suddenly one innkeeper told them there is a small place called a shade and if they could rest themselves over there. So Mary and Joseph took a rest over there and baby Jesus was born. And baby Jesus was born. So on 25th of December at night 12 o'clock baby Jesus was born. And so that day we celebrate Christmas. So can you see this crib? This is called a crib. Okay. So where do cows and animals live? In a stable. And then when baby Jesus was born, Mother Mary put the baby Jesus in the stable. So this is put the baby Jesus in a manger. This is also called a manger. And when we decorate this, we call it a crib. So can you see the baby Jesus here? Yes. So baby Jesus didn't have anything. So Jesus was wrapped only in a white cloth. And can you see this? This is Joseph, father of Jesus and sheep. Shepherd कौन होते हैं? जो sheep की care लेते हैं उनके, and they go to see Lord Jesus. Then a bright star shines upon the sky. और bright star shine होते हैं sky पे, and these three kings also goes to see Jesus. They go to meet Jesus, and what they take, you know? वो लोग उनके लिए गिफ्ट लेके जाते हैं. हाँ, जब हम भी किसी का बर्थडे है तो गिफ्ट लेके जाते हैं ना, तो इसी तरह से these three kings also takes gifts to baby Jesus. And what they take? They take gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Okay, these are the things they take and offer to baby Jesus. And then they go back to their place. Okay, so this is the way we celebrate Christmas. And even what happens? Then we celebrate, then who comes? Santa Claus. Yes, who is this? Santa Claus. Where does he come? He comes on the reindeer. These are reindeers. Can you see? What are these? Reindeers. And see the Santa Claus. Yes, Santa Claus was a very rich man and a wise man. He loved children and he likes to give them gifts. So he used to make different gifts, and then he used to go and put all the gifts inside the socks. देखो यहाँ पे socks दिखाई दे रहा है? Yes. And can you see the gifts here? Can you see the gifts? Yes. It's all our gifts. So Santa Claus had brought all the gifts, and he used to give children, and children used to love when they get up in the morning. They used to find gifts in their socks. They were very happy. Okay. And when does Christmas fall? In the season, very cold. Yes. Some of countries they want ice. When ice falls, what do children do? They make snowman, and they love to play to make snowman with the ice. Okay, with the snow. When snow falls, lot of snow, then they make snowman and children enjoys. So this is the way we celebrate Christmas. Okay. So आपको भी पसंद आया story? Did you like the story? Okay, bye then. See you all children.
Merry Christmas.
Have a nice day. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year to all.
Now the children. Carols.
Merry Christmas.